What is going on, guys? Art here, off the Dome Media Group. If you're new here, I make videos about earning money on as well as offline. Today's video is about UserTesting.com, which is a platform that allows you to make money online by testing apps, websites, and doing different types of tasks and things of that nature. This particular video is basically covering one of the major questions that I get asked in the comments on and offline, I should say, not just comments, but just in general. And that question is what's in your profile? Can I copy your profile? How are you doing what you do, and so forth, and things of that nature. And so I want to kind of cover that. I'm not going to try to belabor this or make it longer than it needs to be. I'm going to try not to rant. But basically what it comes down to is, the short answer is no, you do not want to copy my profile or anyone else's profile. My profile information is specific to me. And with that being said, I say that to say the type of work that I do, my passions, my interests, hobbies, call it what you will, they're mine. Just like whatever you do is specific and unique to you, what I do is specific and unique to me. So it would serve you no good to copy my profile information, because you couldn't speak to what I do. I do a lot of different things. I'm all over the place. But you copy my profile information, if you qualify, let's say hypothetically, you did, I said, okay, I'll give you all my profile information. I screenshot it. Here's the info. Put it in your profile. Okay. What happens is this. Let's say you get screeners based on my profile information in your profile. You can't answer any questions about anything that's in my profile. So you get a screener and you somehow mess around and qualify for a test based on the screener, however you do that. But because that's the first part, you're not going to get through a screener because they're going to ask you questions that you're going to have to guess answers to. So you're not going to qualify. But if you faked your way through somehow and you were able to qualify for a test through a screener, when it's time to actually do the test and answer questions based on the information that's in my profile, you don't know it. So what's going to happen at that point is that you'll provide inaccurate answers, short answers. You won't be able to answer the questions. And if you make it through the test or the task, if you will, you'll end up with a horrible rating, with a 1-star rating, and possibly a complaint to UserTesting.com, which risks you being on the platform. You could get kicked off or whatever the case may be. So again, using someone else's profile information in your profile will not help you at all, because you can't speak to it. You don't have that experience. You don't have that expertise. You don't do the hobbies or have the interests that other person does. So it won't work. So don't try it. You don't want to risk getting kicked off the platform. It's a great opportunity to earn some extra cash in your spare time and so forth. And you don't want to risk it by doing something like that. The key to you getting tests is to completely fill out your profile with relevant and accurate information. Put as much information in there as you possibly can about everything that you do, because you get screeners based on what's in your profile. You answer the screeners, you go through the test, and you'll be able to answer the questions and do the tasks based on your information and what you do. And the goal is to finish with accurate answers, provide good feedback, good, accurate feedback, and ultimately get a decent review. Ideally, you want to get a 5-star review. You get a 5-star review, the more you get, they start sending you more screeners for more tests. So again, remember, my profile information is my information. Your information is your information. Don't copy anyone else's profile information. The reason that I get the screeners and the tests and I'm able to do what I do is because I'm on the profile, I'm on the platform a lot. Every day I'm on the platform and I'm doing tests and so forth. If I'm at my desk and I'm working, I have my laptop open, both my laptops open, and I get a test and I'll see what it's about and so forth. But we'll get into that, how I operate later. But my point, and I can't say this strongly enough, I repeat, do not copy someone else's profile information. It will do you no good. It will only harm you. Complete your profile, accurate, up-to-date information, and keep it that way. If something changes, make sure you get in there and change and update your information as it changes. That's all I'm going to say to that. As I always end my videos, be patient, be consistent, and you can make some cash. Peace.